If you're searching for a reliable impact socket set that stands up to tough jobs, this 1/2-inch drive kit delivers. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel, these sockets resist abrasion and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability even under heavy pressure. You get tools built to last, not crack or fail when you need them most. What sets this set apart is its superior performance. Whether you're using an impact wrench or working by hand, these chrome vanadium sockets grip nuts and bolts securely. Their 6-point, high-torque design focuses on the flat sides instead of corners, reducing slipping and rounding for safer, more efficient work. Inside the kit, you'll find 26 deep impact sockets ranging from 10 mm up to 36 mm. This wide range covers almost every common size you'll encounter, saving you time and effort hunting for the right fit. From small repairs to heavy-duty vehicle maintenance, this set has you covered. Organization and portability matter on the job. That's why this socket set comes with a sturdy storage case, keeping your sockets neatly arranged and easy to carry. It's a practical solution for mechanics, truck drivers, or anyone who values a tidy workspace and quick access to tools. Designed for heavy-duty vehicles, this torque multiplier set excels at removing and installing wheel lug nuts on trucks, RVs, and more. Its robust construction makes it a dependable choice for professionals and DIYers who demand strength and precision. Customers across the United States praise this set for its unbeatable price and impressive size variety. The combination of durability and range makes it a smart investment for anyone serious about their tool collection. If that's you, someone looking for a tough, versatile impact socket set that won't quit, this 26-piece kit is worth a look. It balances strength, performance, and convenience without breaking the bank. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your toolkit and tackle any job with confidence.